Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Catherine, and today we are going to unbox Ipsy GlamBag Plus for April. Yay! I actually am having some kind of problem with my app. I think I told this story last month, and it's true again. When I pull up my app, it shows me the first item that I'm getting, and then the page below that is completely blank. I think probably it's a me problem, not a them problem, because I'm working with an old iPad. And I could probably go further looking, but I don't want to know. So it keeps me honest. So this is a surprise box. So I'm very excited about that. In case you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty box that if you get the Ipsy GlamBag is 5 sample products for $10 per month. Or if you get the GlamBag Plus, it is 5 full-size products for $25 a month. The beauty is, right now, the Ipsy GlamBag Plus is open with no wait list. It has had a wait list for months. I was on the wait list for a couple months, and it's open right now. They say that everybody that signs up, you're going to get the May box. So I put my link below in case you have any interest in signing up. But let's get in here and see what we've got. So it is feast or famine with my boxes. I had nothing, and then today I received this and my Glossy Box for April. So I'll be filming that in a minute, probably in the same clothes, so act surprised. Okay, so when you open the Ipsy box, your nice pamphlet falls out, so it's ever so handy for you. And I'm going to assume it says, like it always does, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it's got this nice protective coat, so here's hoping it did its job. And let's get in here and see what we've got. I have the pamphlet for the month of April, which inside should tell me all of my items. I'm going to assume. It seems to be that kind of thing. I'm going to put it down. Okay, so let's dig right in and see what we've got. First, I have a Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush from IT. Very interesting. Ta-da! It is one of these slant top brushes. These often come with the foundations that you purchase on QVC. So I would say mostly, glasses, they recommend this as a foundation brush, but let's see what they say. The book says that it is a $48 brush. You don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have the one that does it all. Not only does this brush give makeup products an airbrush finish, blurring away the appearance of fine lines and pores, it also applies skincare like a dream. So the back of this says that the revolutionary IT Cosmetics Heavenly Silk Brush Hair is infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, niacin, and antioxidants. So there's skincare in the brush. That is very interesting. A, I wonder how they did that. And B, I wonder how many times after you wash it, it's still there. That is very cool. Have to see if I feel like that makes a difference. All right, let's see what's next. We have the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Cream. Oh. It is another, of course, full size. Let's see if we can find it in the book and see what they say. All right, the book says it is a $29 value. It's a big container. It's 4 ounces. It seems bigger than that. Look how big that is. And the book says, you might not be an actual heiress, but that doesn't mean you can't have rich girl skin. The cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. All right. Well, that's very interesting. Let's see if we can get in here, see if it's got a safety seal. I'll open it. I don't mind. I go through cleansers like crazy. I have gotten so much better. Yeah, I'm bragging a little bit about myself, about cleansing at night. Oh, it smells very nice. I mean, it smells like a cleanser, but it smells nice. Let's see if I can get you guys a... Okay, so it's just a clear gel. I'm really going to wish I had remembered my wipes in a second. Oh, it's very thick. Yeah, smells like cleanser. Spoiler alert, it smells like cleanser. It's very nice though. I'm just going to smear it in. We'll see what we come to next to put on the back of here. Yeah, it feels very nice. Next, we have another big thing. Moisture Balancing Cream. Moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. I have to think by the size of this that it's a body cream, not a face cream, because it's huge. 6 ounces. Let's see what the book says, because it doesn't tell me what I am balancing the moisture of. But like I said, 6 ounces does not feel like it's going to be my face. They're showing the lady's face. They are showing her face. When your medicine cabinet gets cluttered, consolidate your resources with a moisturizer that works on your face and body. Apply this cocktail of cucumber, lime, and elder tree extract. What does elder tree make me think of Harry Potter? What is the Harry Potter elder tree? Is that what the wand was? I digress. Let me know below. To help soothe your skin, reduce inflammation, and hydrate for 24 hours. Best of all, there's no greasy finish. Well, I have to tell you, I am super picky about my face, so I don't know that I will be using anything that comes in a 6-ounce tub on my face. Personal preference. And it says it is a $28 value. Its very first ingredient is aloe, and the second is safflower seed oil. I see no agua. This is, I just read through the back of this, and I'm going to need somebody like Jen Loves Reviews, who is awesome with products. I would need her to look over this, but the back of this looks fantastic, and there's never water. It's just a million different kinds of oils and good for you things. All right, let's get in here. We're getting in all of them today. Here we go. Ta-da! Use my hand that's not covered in lotion. Oh, it's very, could you guys see how that came out? It's real wet. I mean, I know that doesn't make it seem like it, but it's very wet. And it smells nice. It smells, it's very moisturizing. It smells like, I don't want to say cold cream. Okay, for those of you who are old enough to remember what just like a basic moisturizer felt like a bajillion years ago before they started adding a million fragrances, that's kind of what this smells like. Just like a clean lotion. Cold cream is my instant takeaway. I can't help it. Okay, let's move on to see what else we've got in here. I have, what is this? A Lovecraft Beauty blush palette. It has 3 blushes in it. Alfeda, Dauphine, and Oscalia. They do this just to mess with me. It couldn't be like, you know, Betty, Penny, and Judith. Oh, wow, that's a hard trick. Well, I'm really glad that they put a piece of plastic over the glass mirror because mine is shattered. It doesn't seem to be on the product, but I think I'm going to take a picture of this and send it to them because I think I will worry myself to death about whether any of that is getting in when I'm then rubbing on my face. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys because it seems to be safe under here. That's disappointing, but I've always had incredible luck with Ipsy. I had one other, that was ironically a blush. In my very first Glam bag, I got a little Pixie blush that was broken, and I got it with, it was less than a week. I got a replacement for it. These are the 3 colors. That swatch was pretty good, guys. I mean, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but that was a pretty good swatch. They're great colors. I think I can wear 2 of them, these 2. This, in person, I don't know if it's coming across on camera. This is a little orange for me with my super white, super blue skin. But 2 of the 3 colors are good for me. So I will email Ipsy and we'll see how quickly they replace all of this. But that is fantastic. But yeah, I think I'm going to be too afraid to put that on my face, not knowing if as I continue to open and close it, if this plastic were to wear on the bottom. I wonder if it's real glass. It looks like it. It surely does look like it. Okay. So Ipsy says that that blush palette, it has a $39 value. There's nothing like a natural flush on your cheeks after leaving the gym or when your crush walks into the room. Luckily, this blush palette gives you the same pinky glow without sweat or nervous butterflies. All right, so very cool, just broken. I mean, this color is really, I really almost couldn't see them on my fingers, although you can see them a little bit there. I am just in awe of how well they swatched, how pigmented they are. Okay, last but not least, and this is under the thing that I just got that was broken, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but it is the Laura Sanchez Moods palette. And this is a eyeshadow and highlighter palette. That's the back of it. Let's see what we've got. Fingers crossed. Well, it's fine. My brown seems to have broken up a bit. You can see it on there, but it's okay. I think probably the brown that's on here is not from breakage. I think it's probably like a factory package situation. I don't think it's a problemo situation. So those are the shadows and the highlighters, and it comes with its own little brush, which, not to be rude, but you know you're not going to use the brush. Okay, you might use the brush. That was harsh. It's a lovely brush. I'll probably use my own brushes. So let's swatch a few of these and see what we've got. What should we swatch? This awesome pink and the yellow and the purple and the blue. Because we all have a million neutral palettes, we want to know how these funky colors are going to do. Let's just go right on my hand. I'm not saying I'm 2 for 1 on my swatches today, but those are so pretty. You can even see that little yellow on me. The pink, the purple, and the blue. They're so pretty. They came off my fingers pretty. Oh, they look darker there than when I do. It's the magic of camera ink. They're really pretty colors. Let's get something clean into my thumb. Oh, the one that looks, the one here, the highlighter that just looks white. I just did my thumb across it. I hope I can get this to transfer. It's like it's duochrome, is that the word they use? It's white, but then it looks purple. Holographic. Okay, let's see what happens when it's swatched. Here, let's do it here. I really hope that's coming across. It's right here. That's very cool. This has got festival written all over it. Because you know me, I am doing the festivals. Let's check the darker color and see if it does anything spectacular. Oh, it is just, whew, it is just brightness upon brightness. That's a really, let's see how it transfers. Oh, it's just kind of gold. It's not at all chunky. It's just got nice shine to it. I really hope that you guys are getting that. This is a really cool palette. And like I said, it's the Laura Sanchez Mood Palette. That's the front. That's the back upside down. The palette again. And it came with a mirror, of course. And a lovely brush if you'd like to use their brush. And according to the pamphlet, it is a $35 value. It says that mood swings can get a bad rap, but sometimes they can inspire different makeup looks. Score! Okay, so that is it for my April 2019 Ipsy box. And I got the Moods palette with the eyeshadows and the highlighters, and the Lovecraft slightly damaged blush palette, the Paris Hilton face cleanser, the Feel Balanced moisture balancing cream for face and body, the skincare infused brush. So that was a really good box. And if my math is correct, this had a value, this $25 box has a value of $179. I'll do that with a calculator when I go to edit this to put it up, but I think I'm right. And that is an incredible value. So that's my April 2019 Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. And like I said, it is a heck of a bargain. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Is this what you got in your box? I would sure like to know. I know that they did some variations, but like I said, my app was not doing great, so I don't even know what the variations are. And I've only seen a couple of videos so far, and this is different from the ones that I've seen. So what else did you get? Let me know. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.